Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Fenai Septiani dari kelas manajemen 22A dengan NPM 22411033. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya ingin menjelaskan materi ke-13 dari pelajaran manajemen keuangan yang berjudul Capital Market. Capital Market Instrument. Capital market instrument are various investment products that can be traded on the stock exchange. This instrument gives rights to its owner and allows them to participate in the activities of the stock exchange. Here are some types of capital market investment instruments. There are investment instruments that represent partial ownership of a company. The shareholder has the right to the profit of the company and has a say in the action company and has voting rights in company decisions. Bonds are debt securities issued by company or governments to raise funds. The bondholder is entitled to raise periodic interest payment and get back the principal at month 3. Number 3. Mutual funds are a collection of funds from investors managed by investment managers to invest in various capital market instruments. Mutual funds offer a variety of instruments, options, ranging from stock, bonds to money market instruments. A derivative is a financial instrument whose value is derived from the value of an underlying asset such as a stock, bond, or commodity derivative. Can be used for special or hedging purposes. ETF, Exchange Trade Fund, is a mutual fund traded on a stock exchange as over similar flexibility and ease of dealing to stock but with lower risk. Capital market definition. Capital market is an activity concerned with public offerings and trading of securities. Public companies relate to the security they use, as well as institutions and professions relate to securities. In other words, the capital market is a meeting place for sellers and buyers of securities. But securities used by private and government companies. Securities are securities that indicate ownership of a right or be. The capital market has several functions, including helping companies to obtain long-term funds. Companies can obtain long-term funds through the use of securities such as stock and bonds. Profit alternative instrument for the community. People can invest the capital market to make a profit. Facilitate economic growth. Capital market can help drive economic growth by providing funds for company for expansion and investment benefit to a company or well. Story of capital market. The history of capital market can be traced back to the 12th century in Europe, when traders began to gather to buy and sell securities such as stock and bonds. At the time, the capital market was still not well organized and transactions were carried out informally. The modern capital market first appeared in the Netherlands in the early 17th century with the establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange in 1602. The stock exchange is a place where traders can buy and sell shares such as it is trading company. The capital market in Indonesia began during the Dutch colonial period in 1912 with the establishment of the Vereniging voor de Effecten Securities Trading Association in Batavia. However, securities transactions in Indonesia only began to be officially listed in the 1892 when the Gold Parapletion Company sold 400 shares at price of 500 guilders per share. After Indonesia independence, the capital market was closed for several years. However, in 1977, the capital market was reopened by the government of the Republic of Indonesia. The Jakarta Stock Exchange was reinaugurated by President Suharto on Agustus 10, 1977. Since then, Indonesia capital market has continued to grow rapidly. The number of companies listed on the JS continued to grow, and the value of transaction L continued to increase. Indonesia capital market has also become on the large capital market in South Asia. Capital market objective means of funding for company. The capital market is one source of funding for companies. In addition to loans from banks or the other financial institutions, through the capital market, companies can obtain long-term funds to finance their business activities, such as expansion, modernization, or new product development. Investment vital for the company. The capital market offers a variety of investment instruments that can be chosen by the public, such as stock, mutual funds, and derivatives. Investment. The capital market can provide benefits in the form of capital gains, price increase, or dividend company profit sharing. Boosts national economic growth. A growing capital market can boost national economic growth by providing funding sources for companies, creating jobs, and increasing income equality. A developed and healthy capital market will provide benefits for various parties, namely companies, investors, and the national economy as a whole. In addition to this job objective, the capital market also has several functions, namely financial intervention function. The capital market functions as an intermediary between parties who have excess funds, investors, and those who need fund company. Research allocation function. The capital market serves to allocate funds from investors to companies that need funds in an efficient manner. Risk diversification function. The capital market offers a variety of investment instruments that investors can choose from to reduce investment risk. Income equalization function. The capital market can play a role in income distribution by providing opportunities for the wider company to instantly earn profit. Benefit of capital market. The capital market has great benefit for society and the country. In general, the benefit of the capital market can be categorized into two, namely for investor and benefit for the country. Benefit of capital market for investor. Increase investment value. Investment in the capital market has the potential to increase the value of investment in the long run. This is because the capital market offers a variety of investment instruments ranging from stock, bonds, mutual funds to government security, get dividends or coupons. Stock investors can earn dividends from companies whose shares they own. Dividends is the distribution of profit given by a company to its shareholders. Meanwhile, bond investor can get coupons from the bonds they own. Coupon is the interest paid by the bond issuer to the bondholder. Increase investment flexibility. The capital market offers high flexibility for investors. Investors can make buying and selling investment instruments anytime and anywhere, and in addition, investors can also quit investment. Benefit of capital market for the country. Increased source of development funding. The capital market is one of the source of development funding for the country. Through the capital market, the government can use government securities to obtain funds from investors. The funds can be used to finance various development projects such as infrastructure, education, and health. Increase economic growth. Capital market can boost economic growth through various means such as increase investment, creating jobs, increase competitiveness, then increase corporate transparency and accountability. Is there one when to count a public offering of share IPO in the capital market? Muslimin various recruitments, including information disclosure recruitment. This makes the company more transparent and accessible to the public. Overall, the capital market has great benefit for society and the country. With the capital market, people can have more deserved investment alternative, and the country can obtain a broader source of development funding. Conclusion. The capital market is an ensuring mechanism between parties who have action fund, investor, and those who need fund. Emitting investor can buy capital market instruments such as stock, bond, and mutual fund, while issuer can use the funds obtained from the sale of this instrument to finance their operational activities or business expansion. The capital market has several important roles in the economy, namely mobilization of funds. Capital market can help mobilize funds from the public to productive sectors so as ensuring economic growth. Allocation of funds. Capital market allows funds evenly to companies that have good growth prospects. Economy barometer. The capital market can be an indicator of the health of a country's economy. Indonesia's capital market has experienced rapid development in recent years. This can seen from the increasing number of investors, transaction value, and market capitalization. The development of Indonesian capital market is also supported by pro-investment conference policy and better capital market regulation. Demikian yang bisa saya sampaikan dari menjelaskan materi manajemen keuangan ke-13. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.